everybody. I'm at Papa Amy and Allie Bug's YouTube channel today. My parents are on vacation, but I stopped by because I wanted to show you guys something. My dad has set up a sustainable way to garden in such a way that he can literally leave for a week in July in South Louisiana, and all of his plants are going to continue to produce for him. He's got mixtures. Look at how he companion plants with cucumber. He's got his, I want to say one of these is like a thornless blackberry, the other's a raspberry. He's also got ginger planted. Come on, Stephen, I'll show everybody. He's got some more raspberries over here. He's got peas. It looks like possibly another cucumber plant tucked into there. Over here, you'll see he's got his fig tree. Okay, he does heavy pruning on his. Let's walk down here to his raised beds and his pots. The biggest success to my dad is knowing where in your yard to plant your plants so they do get some shade, but they still get adequate sunlight. But do you see these towers? You see these holes right here? There are holes drilled like this all the way down that tower, and it's about 2 foot deep into that bucket. He deep waters. He's got his onions. Again, look here, guys. Here's his success. He trains his rooting systems and all of his plants to go as deep as possible. So here we are sweating in 100-degree weather. He's on vacation. Everything is thriving. Again, you got some more of the pots. Look at these tomato plants. They're not going to get watered by anything but the rain until he comes home in the next 5 days. But notice, pollinator habitats, bird houses, companion planting, deep mulch. Even in his boxes like this, he has deep mulch, guys. That keeps that water in these containers, okay? Stephen, what do you even call this?
That's concrete wire.
Concrete wire to run to trellis on. So he reuses, recycles, upcycles, and repurposes everything in his ability. Look at his roses. Okay? He's got the same deep mulch going on with his roses. Down here, look at all this. Nice deep mulch. Breaking back down into compost to feed his plants at all times. We've got more roses. To be honest, I want to say it's this rose bush. All of the roses that he has in his yard came from my great-great-grandmother.